With data integration, you can perform integration tasks using an easy-to-navigate interface that supports and conforms to how you work. You can define file-based and direct integration sources, create mapping rules to translate source data into the required target format, and execute and manage the periodic data loading process. In this first part of a series of videos, you see data integration tasks you can perform, including loading a file to EPM, extracting a file out of EPM, and pulling balances from the Fusion GL. In the other videos in this series, you see how you can use data integration to complete additional tasks. You can load a file to EPM, take a file sourced from EBS and load it into Financial Consolidation and close. Start in Data Exchange and review the EBS integration. The file used as the source is in the inbox. The file contents will be loaded into Financial Consolidation and close in the Consol cube for the actual category. In Map Dimensions, you can see how the columns in the file are mapped to the target dimensions. Notice that this mapping includes the CCID, which when included allows you to drill back to the source. The date and CCID are needed when drilling back to EBS. Keep in mind that other systems may need different drill parameters. In Map Members, you can see how the members are mapped. Map Members allows you to translate source values to valid members in each target dimension. In Options, you can see that the file being loaded is stored in the inbox. After reviewing the configuration, run the EBS integration. While the integration is running, check on the progress by reviewing the process details. The load completed successfully. You can review the data that was loaded in the workbench. You can also use the integration agent to pull data directly from an on-premises EBS instance. You can extract data from EPM and save it as a file. After you extract to a file, you can take the output file and copy it out to the object store so that other people can reference it. This process makes the file available external to the system. It is an example of how you can integrate the use of OCI components into your EPM processes. The copy to object store is 2 steps in the outline. The first step is to extract the data by running an integration to create the output file. Then the copy to object store command copies the extracted file. Run the integration from the data integration page. You can also run this from the pipeline details or call it using the EPM REST API. If you look at the OCI Cloud account and look in the bucket where the file was copied to the object store, you see the file that was copied. With data integration, you can pull balances from Fusion GL and pull subledger data from Fusion. The integration is set up to use Fusion GL as the source, and pulls from the chart of accounts within the Essbase cube within Fusion, which consists of a chart of accounts, ledger, and a calendar. The integration shows that the data will be loaded to a free-form target application. The dimensions within the free-form applications are specified on the Map Dimensions tab. The account amount, ledger, and company are mapped. Member mapping shows that a prefix is added. Filters for the extract are defined on the Options tab. The filter is from the Fusion source for data to be filtered to the free-form application. Run the Fusion GL integration. When the extract job completes, you can review the details in the workbench to see the data that was pulled over from Fusion. You can also view the data in a form within the free-form application. You can drill through to see the underlying source data. You are returned to the landing page where you can drill back to Fusion. The Summary Accounts Balance page on Fusion is displayed. Take a look at the next video in this series. Reviewing data integration use cases, extracting data from external sources. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.